What's up, guys? How's it going? You are joining me this morning on my stock market watch list. Just the average guy, starting out. This is just the beginning. I'm gonna be uploading a lot more information and stuff like that. But this is just the stock market watch list. And sorry, I'm such a rookie at it right now, but things will be getting better. All right, this is what I've been watching. This is what I got on my watch list. I got 4 stocks I'm watching this morning. 4 stocks, all of them with some pretty good news. Well, actually, think yeah, all of them with good news. All right, first one's up, AMD. It's around $12. I usually trade around anything under $20. It's good. Gotta be careful with penny stocks. Still, they're a lot more volatile. I'm start off with AMD. It's got some good news. It's actually got its price target raised, seen as the Ethereum, which is part of a cryptocurrency, has actually been showing a good return on their investment. They've been setting up some mining software to get more Ethereum. And as you know, if you've been following the cryptocurrencies, Ethereum was ways up in price and jumping up in price crazy, man. Just as much as Bitcoin. But just looking at this patterns going through right now, it's not looking good for a long position. It's showing a real nice pullback. Had a great jump, great 30 cents jump, which is a good move pre-market. That's what you like to see. That's what you like to watch for. But if it doesn't start rising back up before pre-market, I might not be as interested unless it pops up on my scanner. All right, next is CNET. I was looking at, and as you can see here, I was looking at it early this morning, and it was indicating I was going lower, but now it's just rising higher. I mean, it's even got even more news when I was looking at it before around 8:30. I was just saying how it shot up, but this definitely looks good. That's good. It's only have a 7 million float, and if you don't know about flows, how many shares are currently circulating with the stock. If it's under 20 million, that means it's a good chance it could, way better chance that it could fly like this. Especially under 10 million. It doesn't take that many shares to make the price jump up. Other than like Apple with a, almost a billion in float. I don't even know. I don't even check Apple's float. I don't play it. But seeing that, yes, definitely on my list. I'm gonna be looking for it. Maybe not right out the gates. Probably will have a good, decent pullback, and I might try to capture that pullback to watch it break the day of high, pre-market day of high, because it's gonna do this explosion right now. I don't think it's gonna keep running up. It's gonna have a nice little pullback, and then. But you need to be in and out. You never know. It's not just gonna keep running. It's not. It's not gonna be like not gonna run like it has been. If you look at the yearly chart, every time it runs recently, it hasn't been running as much as it did before. It has this multi banger right here, then pull back. That's when all that blockchain noise was going on in the beginning. But anyway, yes, I'm very long bias on this, especially with this nice recent jump here, looking strong. The next stock is RGSE. And it's got a little good news on it. Well, actually, no news. It was just moving really good pre-market, really good. It's making consolidation right now, so you really gotta watch it. Really gotta be careful. If you're gonna watch this morning, I would just wait for volume for confirmation. Ride the volume, get in and get out. Get in, get out. All right. MNG's my next one. Okay, I was watching MNG because it acquired the industrial gas and welding supply business, and I was watching it yesterday because it had this nice gigantuum. Oh, it was a reverse stock split. So this one is on my short list. And if you don't know about shorts, the shorts is when you borrow shares from your broker and you sell it back at a lower price. So you buy it, pretty much you're buying up here and selling it down here for a profit. So, it's not looking good, you know what I'm saying? If you're only trading to go long, which is when stocks are going up, you want to see it going like this pre-market, you know what I'm saying? Rising up, not going up and down and then start tumbling down. That means most likely it's going to keep going down. And if you like to short, you want to, or you're learning about shorts, you want to, play around with it and ride the momentum down, learn how to identify those type of plays. So, Um, that is all I'm watching today. I didn't see anything else really too good on my scanners. Look at CNET using a TD America trade. If you don't know, it's free. It's definitely a great platform to get you going. Yesterday, initiated research on blockchain. That's could be a rumor. Yeah. So I guess it had a nice jump yesterday pre-market, and it seems like might be right in. It's making a little noise, not too much. It's knocking at the door, but that's not you want to see something that's jumping up, not just slowly rising. But anyway, guys, if you're new, that's what you. If you're brand new at stocks, you don't want to put any money into the stocks yet. You want to get as much free resources as you can, watch as much YouTube as you can in the beginning. If you're going to use the TD American Trade, you're going to want to set up your scan. You're going to want to look up YouTube channels to look up the certain way you want to set up your scanner and how it needs to be looking for your criteria, only going for $1.50 to $30, some people are going to 0 cents to $100 or 0 cents to $2. That's all they trade is penny stocks. You got to find what method works for you, and first you got to practice. Practice makes perfect. But all right, guys, I'm going to get out of here once I figure out what I'm doing. There we go. There you go. All right. Thank you guys for joining in. You can subscribe to my channel. I'm getting a better camera ready for it to come in. We're going to be doing a lot of posts to where you can learn about financial planning, learning about making passive income, learning about the stock market for sure. I'm definitely passionate about the stock market, and also cryptocurrencies too. I'm partnering up with Encrypted Corporation. It's a brand new company coming out February 5th, and it's a consulting company specifically teaching people who know nothing about Bitcoin, and it's going to be guiding them through the process on how to buy it, how to make money off of it. So, all right, guys, stay tuned, subscribe, click a like if you like it, and see you tomorrow.